Yes, hello my dear students, this is Sir Gordhiman. Again welcomes you all in our Path Maths online classes. We are doing the topic probability and we have completed 8 questions from your Excel 13.1 in your last video. So we will continue with the question number 9 in this video as well. So let's do the question number 9. Question number 9 states that mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. किसी family picture के लिए mother, father और son वो एक line में खड़े हुए हैं and this is given that E is the event in which son on one end, son एक end पर है और F is the event in which father is middle. So we need to find the probability of E by F, means probability of E need to be find whereas F has already occurred. So चलिए, first of all let me write down the all sample spaces, all possible outcomes in which a father, mother and son can line up for a family picture. Let's see the sample space may be all. Let me write down mother, father and son. Then mother can be all remain as it is and son and father can interchange their position like this. Now let me take father on one end and mother and son can interchange their positions like this. Same case will be there whenever son is at one end and father mother can interchange their positions. So this may be all like this. So total number of outcomes may be all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 outcomes may be there. In the 6 options are there in which they can line up for a family picture. So we are given with E. E is the event in which we are given that sun on one end. Sun एक end पर होगा. देखिए, let's see find the element in which sun is on one end. It is for the first case son mother, father mother son. The second is father mother and son, and this is your son father mother and son mother father. So these are the elements in which sun will stand on one end. What about F here? F is the event in which father in middle. Father should be in middle. Let me see. The first case is there in which father, mother, son is there. Second case, whenever father in middle is your this one, son, father, mother. Only the two cases will be there in which father is in middle. Mother, father, son, or son, mother, father. So what about probability of what about E intersection F? First of all, let me find the element of E intersection F. E intersection F में element कौन से हैं बच्चों? Only one is there, mother, father, and son. Oh, this is also there. Second case is also there in which son, father, mother is there. Son, father, and mother. Only two cases are there which are the common to both the sets E and F. So what about probability of E? This is given that 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 by 6. What about probability of F? It is your 2 by 6. What about P of E intersection F? This is equal to 2 by 6. We need to find probability of E by F. And this is given by formula P of E intersection F divided by probability of F. And this is equal to E intersection F is your 2 by 6 divided by probability of F is your again 2 by 6, so this is equal to 1. So answer in which son will on one end and father will be in middle is your 1. So this is the solution for the question number 9. Now let me do the question number 10 also, in which question states that black and red dice are rolled. There are two dice. First is your black, second is red. So one die is in black in color and second is red in color. Both are dosed. So naturally we know very well that the total number of possible outcomes will be 36. क्योंकि जब die को दो बार थ्रो करते हैं या two dice को एक टाइम थ्रो करते हैं तो we obtain 36 total number in case. So the first case which we have to find that to find the conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9. We need to find the conditional probability in which the sum of the numbers appearing in the die should be greater than 9. And this is given that the black die resulted in 5. And this is given or already occurred that the black die is showing a number 5. So let me find the conditional probability for the given question. First of all, we have to write down total number of outcomes whenever black die and red die are both are rolled. So number of simple spaces will be 36. We know very well. So it may be on 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Second case may be on 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Next will be on 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, and 3 6. Maybe on 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, and 4 6. Maybe on 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, and 5 6. The last may be on 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, and 6 6. This is something boring to write down, but we have to write down. लिखना ही पड़ेगा बच्चों आपको सिंपल स्पेसेस टोटल to do the accurate calculation. Let's see. Now this is the possible outcomes when our coin is tossed. When a die is thrown 2 times. यानी here the color are also mentioning to you. The first die is showing a black number and second die is showing a red in color. So first is black of color, second is of red color. Now this is given that find the conditional probability of obtaining a number with whose sum should be greater than 9. जो दोनों टाइप नंबर अपीयर हुए बच्चों उनका सम 9 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी आपको निकालनी है. जबकि ये गिवन है कि जो ब्लैक डाई है दैट इज रिजल्टिंग इन अ नंबर एज 5. So let me take E is the event that sum is greater than 9. Taking the numbers appearing, the sum of the numbers appearing on the die should be greater than 9. I am taking as E, and F is the event that black die result in 5. So let me write down all the elements of first of E. E के एलिमेंट कौन से आएंगे जिनका सम 9 से ग्रेटर है. सो फर्स्ट रो में कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं होगा जिनका सम 9 से बड़ा होगा. सेकंड केस में भी नहीं होगा. थर्ड केस में मिलेगा 3 6 क्योंकि 3 5 का सम 3 6 भी नहीं है. एक्चुअली वी हैव टू जस्ट फाइंड द एलिमेंट whose sum is greater than 9. तो 9 से ग्रेटर 3 6 भी नहीं है. It's equal to 9. So this is not to be taken as. Now we have taken as 4 6. So element will be of 4 6. First element will be 4 6 whose sum is greater than 9 as 10. So this is 5 5, 5 6. And for the next one, this is your 6 4, 6 5, and your 6 6. So this is your E. What are the element in F? Black die resulting 5. Black die कौन सी है? First die is black die, second is your red die. We are taking. So first die black die means 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, and 5 6. All elements of row 5, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5. And 5 6. So what is the common element in both the sets? E intersection F is there. So this is your 5 5 is there, 5 6 is there. The two elements will be common. So we need to find the probability of E. Probability of E is there. This is given by 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 upon 36. Probability of F is there. Again this is 6 by 36. Probability of E intersection F is given by, this is your 2 by 36. Need to find P of E by F. It is equal to P of E intersection F divided by probability of F, and this is your 2 by 36 upon 6 by 36, and cancel out. This is your 1 upon 3. So probability of E by F will be on 1 by 3. So this was the solution for the question number 10, and the first part I have done. The second part you can do by yourself. So you can do the second part by yourself. Now again we have the question number 11, which is same as we have done in your question number 1 to 6. ये आपने खुद करना है. It's your homework to all of you. Now let me do the question number 12. 12 is also I am giving you as a homework, because this is the let me illustrate question number 12 for all of you. Assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or girl. It's very much clear कि जो भी आपका बेबी होगा, it may be a boy or girl, and if a family has 2 children, फैमिली में 2 बच्चे हैं, then what is the conditional probability that both are girls? हमें conditional probability निकालनी है कि दोनों ही लड़कियां हो, and it is given that the youngest is a girl. क्वेश्चन देखिए बच्चों क्या कहता है कि किसी भी फैमिली में 2 बच्चे हैं और प्रोबेबिलिटी ये निकालनी है कि वो दोनों ही लड़कियां हो, जबकि ये गिवन है कि यंगेस्ट इज अ गर्ल. सो नेचुरली सैंपल स्पेस विल बी, और द टोटल नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस विल बी 4. बोथ में बी बॉय, बोथ में बी गर्ल. फर्स्ट में बी गर्ल बॉय, सेकंड में बी और गर्ल बॉय. सो 4 टोटल नंबर. चलो लेट मी डू करते हैं. चलिए लेट अस डू द क्वेश्चन नंबर. Let me write down the sample space of Venn diagrams from 2 times. I am doing the question number 12 here now. There may be a family has 2 child. So they may be what is the sample space? Both may be girl, girl boy may be there, boy girl may be there, and both may be boy. Now what is your conditional probability we need to find? Conditional probability क्या निकालनी है कि both are girls. So let E is the event that both are girls. इसके लिए probability हमें निकालनी है. And what is already occurred? The event F is already occurred, and which is given that the youngest is a girl. The event that youngest is a girl. Youngest is a girl. So let me write down all the element of E first. E में कौन सा एलिमेंट आएंगे? दोनों लड़कियां हैं. So this is only having girl, both are girl. F के लिए क्या होगा? Youngest girl. Youngest कौन होता है? छोटा. छोटा means जो बाद में born होता है, तो baby that is your youngest one. So this is your girl and boy girl. Those 2 cases will be there, boy girl और girl. क्योंकि जो बाद में होती है वो छोटी होगी. This is a boy girl. And what about E intersection F? E intersection F is given by only one element having GG. So probability of E is your here as your 1/4. Probability of F is your having 2/4. Probability of E intersection F is your having 1/4. We need to find probability of E by F, and this is given by probability of E intersection F, which is 1/4, and probability of F is 2/4. So answer is your 1/2. So the case whenever we need to find the conditional probability that both are girls, and this is given that the youngest is girl, in case whenever a family has 2 children, and this is your 1/2. The second part you can do by yourself for the question number 12. The second part it's your homework, so you need to do by yourself. Let's see the question number 13, and this is the last question I'll tell you, and the question number 14 and 15 you should have to do by yourself. So let's discuss the question number 13. Dear students, you have to read the question very carefully. आपको statement बहुत अच्छे से clear होगी तो solution निकालना बहुत easy होता है. So I hope you all are reading the question first. पहले आप क्वेश्चन ही पढ़ रहे होंगे, उसके बाद सॉल्यूशन आप चेक कर रहे होंगे यूट्यूब पर. लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. An instructor has a question bank consisting of 300 easy true false questions. क्वेश्चन बैंक के अंदर 300 easy true false हैं, 200 difficult true false questions are there, 500 easy multiple choice questions are there, and 400 difficult multiple choice questions. देखिए ट्रू फॉल्स है, यहाँ पर एमसीक्यूज है, और इनके अंदर इजी भी है क्वेश्चंस और डिफिकल्ट भी है. अब क्वेश्चन ये कहता है कि इफ अ क्वेश्चन इज सिलेक्टेड एट रैंडम, इनमें से सब में से एक क्वेश्चन हमने सेलेक्ट किया गया और व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट इट विल बी एन इजी क्वेश्चन। प्रोबेबिलिटी बताइए कि वो इजी क्वेश्चन हो, जबकि इट इज गिवन दैट इट इज अ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन, जबकि हमें कंफर्म हो चुका है कि जो क्वेश्चन हमने सेलेक्ट किया था दैट इज योर एमसीक्यूज। सो आपको गिवन है कि एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चन सेलेक्ट हो चुका है बट इट इज योर इजी क्वेश्चन, इस चीज की प्रोबेबिलिटी आपको निकालनी है। सबसे पहले लेट मी illustrate this question through a table। जैसे हमारे पास we have true false questions are there and MCQs are there। इन true false के अंदर easy questions भी हैं और difficult questions भी हैं। So first case states that 300 easy true false questions are there। 300 questions are there which are true false as well as easy, and 200 difficult true false 200 difficult भी है हमारे पास। और उसके बाद कहता है कि क्वेश्चन 500 easy multiple choice questions are there, 500 questions are there which are MCQs but these are easy one, and 400 difficult multiple choice questions, also we have 400 questions which are difficult as well as MCQs। Now let's see what are the total number of easy questions। We have total 800 easy questions, we have 600 total difficult questions, true falses are 500 true false questions and 900 MCQs, and these are total 1400। You can see 500 plus 900 total 1400, this is also 1400। So this is the descriptions of the questions given in the question। Now we have to find the conditional probability in which an easy question is to be selected। For that let me take E be the event of selecting an easy question, and F be the event of selecting MCQ। क्योंकि हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी इसकी निकालनी है कि इजी क्वेश्चन सिलेक्ट हुआ है और जबकि इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन दैट द क्वेश्चन सिलेक्टेड इज योर MCQ। सो ये आपको गिवन है, यानी कि F event has already occurred in which E probability of E need to be find। So what is the probability of E? Because number of element in E are, E क्या है, easy question होनी चाहिए। easy question कितने हैं टोटल हमारे पास, these are 500 sorry these are 800, these are 800 questions are there which are total easy questions। So this is given by 800 divided by 1400, क्योंकि number of question total number of questions are 1400 in which 800 are easy questions and we are taking E as your easy question। So number of favorable outcomes are 800, total number of outcomes are 1400, so this is your 8 by 14। What about probability of F? F के लिए MCQs क्वेश्चन कितने से, these are 900, so this is given by 900 divided by 1400। So total जो हमारे पास MCQs है these are 900, so this can be written as your 9 by 14। What about probability of E intersection F? कॉमन एलिमेंट का मतलब क्या हो बच्चों, इजी क्वेश्चंस भी हो और एमसीक्यूज भी हो। एमसीक्यूज होने चाहिए जो कि इजी हैं। इजी एमसीक्यूज कितने हैं हमारे पास, इजी एमसीक्यूज आर 500। सो इंटरसेक्शन एफ इज गिवन बाय 500 डिवाइडेड बाय 1400 can be times 5 by 14। so now we have the probability of E, probability of F, probability of intersection F। we can obtain the value of E by F। this is given by probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F, and this is obtained through your 5 by 14 divided by F is your 9 by 14, cancel out, answer will be your P of E by F is given by 5 by 9। So this means this was the question number 13, and the remaining question you should have to do by yourself। Till then, thank you and have a nice day।